Welcome back to 20 Cars. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 square meters light tank, an advanced armored vehicle built for speed, agility, and modern warfare. With its cutting-edge technology and firepower, this light tank is designed to dominate the battlefield. The 2026 square meters light tank is powered by a next-generation hybrid diesel-electric engine, providing exceptional fuel efficiency and reduced thermal signature for stealth operations. Its lightweight composite armor offers superior protection without compromising mobility, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 80 km/h on various terrains. Armed with an upgraded 50mm autocannon, the tank delivers increased firepower with smart ammunition capabilities, including armor-piercing and programmable airburst rounds. A coaxial machine gun and an optional remote-controlled turret ensure versatility in close combat situations. Drone integration further enhances battlefield awareness, making it a force multiplier in reconnaissance and strike missions. The fire control system features AI-assisted targeting, thermal imaging, and a 360-degree battlefield management interface, allowing the crew to make split-second tactical decisions. The digital cockpit is designed for efficiency, featuring touchscreen controls, real-time data processing, and voice command functionality. One of the standout features of the 2026 square meters is its active protection system, which detects and neutralizes incoming threats like RPGs and guided missiles. Its modular design allows for future upgrades, ensuring adaptability to evolving combat scenarios. Compact, powerful, and highly mobile, the M2 light tank is built for rapid deployment and urban warfare, seamlessly integrating with modern military networks. That wraps up our review of the 2026 square meters light tank. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to 20 Cars for more in-depth military and automotive content.